If you use it correctly, you can get results as high as like 60 ROAS. I'm no kidding. I'm gonna show you on certain ad sets I've been able to use this on, and within the first day I've been able to get 60 ROAS, 10 ROAS, 20 ROAS, and up. Okay, I'll show you the exact proof in a minute. With the surfing method, basically there's a way to kind of game the whole TikTok ads platform. And TikTok is very big on gathering data and pushing out content as much as possible. So we can kind of game it to leverage the system in our favor. This is how it works. We're gonna have one campaign, and this campaign is gonna be a $50 spending limit. What we do is we create like multiple ad sets. I'm talking like a lot. 50 ad sets, maybe even 100 ad sets. You want to set all these budgets on these ad sets to $20. That's really the minimum that you can spend on TikTok ads anyways. So, and that's gonna equate to about, $1,000 in ad spend on the day.